Objective. Convert the polysurface object into a mesh to unlock ExactFlat's full pre-processing toolset. ExactFlat works with meshes. Converting to a mesh first gives you greater control and access to tools like the adaptive remesher. Before creating a mesh, ensure you have a joined polysurface model without naked edges or gaps. If you try to use the mesh command while your model has naked edges or gaps between surfaces, it will fail to create matching vertices along the shared edges, resulting in gaps between the pieces. When vertices don't match, ExactFlat can't associate the pieces to create seams and notches. Select the car seat and click the Mesh button. Click on the Detailed Controls button located at the bottom right of the pop-up window. Under the NURBS meshing parameters, set minimum initial grid quads to 500. Uncheck Refine Mesh and click OK. Select the new mesh object, right-click on the mesh layer and select Change Object Layer. Double-click on the mesh layer to set it as the active layer. Turn off the surface layer by clicking the light bulb icon. We want to generate a uniformly tessellated mesh without abrupt changes in the polygon structure, while avoiding an unnecessarily high polygon count. Key result. A detailed mesh object of the car seat model has been created and set to the mesh layer.